Support for impeaching Vice President Sara Duterte is building fast, with party leaders saying the numbers are already within reach. Estimates now place backing at up to 180 lawmakers, well beyond the threshold needed to push the complaint forward. IBC House correspondent Earl Tobias reports.
Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. The Secretary General is so directed.
The House plenary has ordered the copies of the Justice Committee report containing the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte be distributed to all members of the House of Representatives. This gives lawmakers 4 days to review the report before the scheduled vote on May 11. But according to National Unity Party Chairperson and Deputy Speaker Ronaldo Puno, it is no longer a question whether the required 106 votes will be reached to approve the impeachment complaint. He said more than 30 members of their party alone are already prepared to vote in favor of impeaching the Vice President. From this, he estimates that support could reach as high as 180 lawmakers.
Kung ipagsama mo yung boto ng lakas lang at ng 55 na bumoto sa committee, you will already get your 106. Di ba? So, what are the odds? Kung pumupusta ka sa karera ng kabayo, panalo na siguro itong kabayong ito.
Lakas CMD BARM Chairperson Zia Alonto Adyong also reaffirmed that even at this stage, support for the impeachment case could already reach 180 votes. Lakas CMD is currently the largest political party in the House, with 69 members. From that, Adyong said more than 60 lawmakers from their party are backing the articles of impeachment.
We are behindly supporting this impeachment complaint because the whole country have seen the evidences.
Both Representatives Puno and Adyong clarified that their parties maintain a position of allowing members to vote freely depending on their own assessment of the evidence, while some lawmakers from the House minority stated that there is no basis to oppose the impeachment case against the Vice President. Justice Committee Chairperson Jinky Luisro confirmed that a vote is targeted to take place on Monday, May 11. The Vice President, however, said it is unfair that her family members are being dragged into the issue amid the height of the impeachment controversy. For their part, allies including De Lima denied such claims, saying they are only following the truth and the evidence. Meanwhile, during today's plenary session, former House Speaker Martin Romualdez was personally present. He was seen greeting House personnel and colleagues on the plenary floor. Earl Tobias, IBC News.